everybody, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to do
the demon version of Raven from Teen Titans.
Now, I know a lot of people have done Raven before, but I want to do the version that nobody really sees a lot, which is her demon form with the little horns from her dad Trigon. So, alright, let's get started.
Okay guys, here are your materials. You're gonna need contacts, an eyebrow pencil, some red face paint, mascara, black lipstick, eyeliner, eyelashes, and basically all setting needs. And of course you're gonna pop in your contacts, put on a wig cap, and now we start our makeup journey. So first you're gonna take your red face paint. I didn't show it too long, but I'm using Mehron in their beach color, and you just dip it in water and just basically pat until you feel the color is the right shade that you like. And of course, as with all body painting, it's gonna take a while. This process took me probably about an hour to get through, but like I said, just take your time, pat where you need to, and really remember to bend your fingers like I'm doing here, because you want to get in every single crevice you can. And next we're going to be using our setting powder from Mehron. Take your time, really glance over everything. Remember to bend your fingers so you get every single crevice where your face bends, because you know the longer you're outside, the makeup's going to chip off, and it chips off more where your face bends, where your body bends a lot. So like I said, take your time and just powder where you can. And next are Raven's eyebrows. We're going to take our spoolie, swipe your eyebrows going upwards. Raven sort of has I'll call it a triangle looking eyebrow. Mine are sort of squarish round. So, like I said, you're going to point them upwards, and you make a line. Basically, what I started with was one line going diagonally, and then shaping around that point. So, you do one big diagonal line, and then you basically just fill in the other parts as pointy as you'd like, because they are pretty pointy. And next comes our eyeliner. Just take your time. I just went with a simple line across the eye. I didn't realize my eyeliner was going out when I did this section, but basically you just start from one side, go to the other. I do better when I start off in the center and go outwards. Yeah, but basically you just make one simple line, and like I said, since it's Demon Raven, I feel like you can go as dark as you'd like with it. Then for extra measure, I just went over with a liquid eyeliner, because I feel like pencil, you have to go over it way too much. But like I said, just go over, if you feel like it's not dark enough, just go over with some liquid eyeliner, and that'll help even it out once you finish that up. And then to make my eyes really pop, I just went over the bottom with some liquid eyeliner as well. I know people are like, liquid eyeliner on your bottom lashes are dangerous, but I was curious and just wanted to see how it looked, and it didn't come out too bad. Alright, next will be our mascara, which we put on our eyelashes to make them, well, I put them on before my false lashes, but I use these to make my natural lashes pop out a little more, to help my fake lashes pop out even more. And next we're gonna pop on our falsy lashes. I love lashes that are really like fluffy, so that's why a lot of my eye looks pretty much look the same. But that's because I love like really fluffy eyelashes. I think it's so cute, especially with a demon. But yeah. And then we are going to put on our black lipstick. I can't draw to save my life, so sorry if this looks very awkward, but I promise it'll look great once this is all done. And after that, your makeup is completely done. You look gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. I was so happy when I finally got her done for the first time. And this is a completed look with the whole costume. And of course, I love you all and I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions? Let me know. See you guys later!